video, we're going to look at downtrending CPR scan, the developing CPR also. Okay, so in combination. So here we have and we are scanning on a weekly time frame. We are also looking for stocks which are below 200 EMA, right, exponential moving average, and we are also looking for developing pivot, right, weekly developing pivot, also downtrending. Okay, so all these three conditions, you can see these are the stocks we got. Let me just start by this one, see QCOM. I want to see QCOM. So let me also see which has put sizzle index, right? So a lot of puts. One has a lot of puts. A lot of put sizzle index here, a little bit high. Let's start by put call ratio. This is 3 dB. So dB means it's a put call put is, so there's a lot many puts than calls, right? So let's look at this dB. Bank. So here, if you see here, we are on a 1 hour time frame. CPR is coming down. All time frames are a little gray, red. So Keltner channel also is saying negative. Banks are negative now. So basically, what you want to do is look for a first candle, right? After 1 hour should open like that, with the wick down. So if you see that, you can just basically take the trade to the downside. You can also so you can see that it's already, the channel is down here, up and down here. Okay, so this is clearly downtrending stock. DB1. Let's look at this one, QCOM. Negative chart. Let me just make sure I fix this. Customize. Okay, so here QCOM also is a similar situation where you have a downtrending here, RSI downtrending. Monthly is red, monthly is green, but everything else is red. You see the CPR is coming down. Okay, and then you can also see there's an arrow to downtrending. Okay, so as soon as you see a candle just down here, down below the CPR, right, first 1 hour, take the trade to the downside. And next one is sort by market cap, TSM, EMS chart. Okay, so here similar situation, CPR coming down, negative here, negative here, negative here. Yes. Our financials looks like they are down. Stanley. Basically, see the Morgan Stanley also is downtrending. Now for the first candle to come below, just take the trade. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, let me know. You can see the developing CPR also is red. Okay, so it basically crossed from here. Okay. So we also provide the developing CPR and also scanners for free. Please send us an email if you